Ada, what are you doing?
Where's the egg?
Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Look at me.
Roxy.
Maybe Roxy will help you. Maybe she's an egg sniffing dog.
Where's the eggs?
Well, you gotta look for them.
There's the egg.
Put it in your basket.
And where's the other one? There's an egg for you, Daddy. It's your egg. It's your egg.
Thank you.
Where's the other egg for me?
Be careful.
My egg.
Put them in there. Careful.
Ada, why don't you come back over this way?
There's another egg.
Back up so we can see.
I see all the eggs up.
Did you find all the eggs that the Easter Bunny hid?
Yep.
Do you like strawberries?
Yep. They hide some here. And there's the other one.
Where's the strawberries? Where's the strawberry plants?
There's another egg. And where's the other one?
I don't know. They're probably all over. You gotta look all over. Gotta look in plants and pots. Look in the pots.
Just look for them. They might be in there. The eggs are in here.
And swings. Gotta look on swings. Hey, Ada.
Where? There's another egg.
Put it in there gently. Gentle, gentle.
There.
Go back to Mommy.
There's another one. There's another egg. Where's the other egg?
Ada Lee, did you look over here?
Another egg.
You gotta look in everything. Look in the pots. There might be some in there. What about that one? Ada, look over here.
There's another egg.
We're gonna have scrambled eggs.
And where's the other egg?
I don't know. Let's go visit the tadpoles this morning.
Where's the other egg?
You gonna show the tadpoles your eggs?
There's another egg. There's another egg.
Let me see. Let me see all your eggs. Wow. That's amazing. You should see if you got any mail this morning. Go look in your mailbox. Best egg of all is in there. Brian Wilson! Roxy! I think Roxy found one.
Here. Where? You good boy won't see find an egg.
Let's keep looking.
Where's the other egg? The other egg. Is it in there?
Ada, look over here.
Where? Where?
Look in there.
It's little egg.
Gently. Look, I think Roxy found another one.
You good boy won't see from an other egg. You good boy. From an other egg. Let's look. Hey, Roxy. He walks. He walks. He walks. There's another egg. There you go, see? Look. Sit. Look. Let's see him looking.
I think there's only one left, Mom.
I think so. Ada, look over here.
Oh, careful.
Here. Hey, Roxy, found another one. He's a bit. Look. She snipped. She snipped. There's one egg to
I
go.
think that's all of them. Woo!
Yay, we found all the eggs.
I found all the eggs.
All right, let's go make scrambled eggs.
I don't want to smell eggs.
But you
First, I'll
scrambled
find another one.
All right, you're about to drop them all.
Mine.
Okay, let's head on in.
There's no more. You found them all. The Easter Bunny came in and took them and hid them, and you found them all.
You want me to take them so we can put them inside?
No, I'll take care of
Here,
them.
say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
All right, come on.
Okay, let's bring them on in.
Can you blow Mommy kisses?
Oh.
Can you steal a kiss from Mommy?